So hello guys, I'm Yogi and you are watching Yogi's collection. So guys, today I'm been teaching you how to make a doorbell in Multicraft. So guys, you need at first these three items: a note block, a diamond block, micro slab, and a stone button. So let's begin. Okay guys, now you have to choose a place where to place it. Here is our door, then we will place it at here. Note block, do same like this here, and now place it here, place it here. Now move it. Yeah, it's placed properly. Now put the stone button here, and now look, you can hear it. Now that our doorbell is completed. So this is for our today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and comment down what you want more. So bye bye.